Don't send every question straight to GPT-4. That's the costly mistake. Pivot through Azure AI Translator first, then hit Azure OpenAI only as a fallback. Translator charges around $10 per million characters. A large language model costs far more per answer. This is for engineers building support bots across many languages. One pivot language keeps your FAQ store tiny and your bill small. 3 pieces carry this bot. First, language detection and translation to a pivot language. Second, matching the question against your curated FAQ. Third, an Azure OpenAI fallback when no FAQ fits. The gotcha lives in step 3. Falling back wrong leaks hallucinations to users in their own language. I'll show the guardrail near the end. Pick one pivot language, usually English. Store your FAQ and embeddings only in that language. Every incoming question gets detected and translated into the pivot. You match once, answer once, then translate the reply back. This means 50 supported languages still need just one FAQ index. You maintain one knowledge base, not 50 copies that drift apart. The translator REST call detects and translates in one request. Leave the source blank and it auto-detects. The response hands you the detected language code. Keep that code. You'll need it to translate the answer back later. One round trip handles both detection and translation. Embed the pivot question and your FAQ entries with text embedding 3 small. Compare with cosine similarity. Set a confidence threshold around 0.82 as a starting point. Above it, return the stored answer directly. No model call, no hallucination, instant response. Tune that threshold against real traffic. Too low returns wrong answers. Too high triggers needless fallbacks. Here's the gotcha I promised. The fallback must stay grounded. Pass your top FAQ candidates as context in the prompt. Instruct the model to answer only from that context. If nothing fits, it should say it doesn't know. Without this rule, the bot invents policies and refund rules. Grounded fallback turns a liability into a safety net. Translator has a character limit per request, currently 50,000. Batch long inputs. Translated text can shift meaning, so log the pivot text for debugging. Right to left languages need careful rendering on the front end. And cache common translations. Repeated questions shouldn't pay the translator cost twice. Limits and prices change, so check the current Azure docs. Translator normalizes, FAQ matching answers cheaply. OpenAI fills the gaps grounded. One index serves every language and stays maintainable. Most questions never touch the model, so cost stays flat as traffic grows. Build the grounded fallback first, before you ever widen the threshold. Clone the repo in the description and ship your first language today. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.